Hey, welcome to Mirrorverse Education. Today, we're looking at understanding inequalities. So, let's go. All right, Katie wants to read at least 12 books this year. She has this goal. So we're working with 12, and I'll use B for books because why not? And saying at least 12 means that she wants to read more than 12. All right, she wants the book she reads to be more than 12. But saying at least means she'd be fine if she read 12 books as well. All right, so that's where that or equal to sign, that little line under the alligator mouth means or equal to. All right, so it means 12 is less than or equal to the amount of books that she wants to read, or that she does read. All right, let's graph this on number line. We're starting with 12. It has that or equal to sign on it, that line under it. So it means it can be 12, solid dot there, because it can be 12. And then I can test out the 13 and 11, the numbers right next to that 12, and see which one makes the inequality true. If I do 11, is 12 less than or equal to 11? No. What's 13? Is 12 less than or equal to 13? Yes, it is. So, we're going to the right. That's it. All right, let's see another one here. It says Ashley wants to earn more than $80,000 this year. That's be a nice salary. All right. So we're going with 80,000 and S. I'll use S for salary. Salary is the amount of money you make in a year. All right. She wants to make more, the salary to be more than 80,000. This time she doesn't say a minimum or at least. She's saying strictly more than 80,000. So there's no equal to sign. It's just more than 80,000. Strictly more than 80,000. So on our number line, oh, what's that? It's an open dot. This is different. All right, because it's does not have the equal to sign on it, it cannot be 80,000. 80,000 that starting point, but it is not. It cannot be 80,000. Remember that closed dot means it can be the value. The open dot means that it can be any number getting really close to it, but can't quite be that number. So it can't be 80,000. So then let's test out the numbers on the left and right side of that. So 70,000 is 70. If I plug 70,000 in there, I get 80,000 is less than 70,000. That's not true. But 80,000 is less than 90,000. Now that's true. All right. We got two more we're going to do. So Josh wants at most 30 students in his class. I know some of you are probably in classes bigger than this, but he's just saying his ideal maybe is at most 30,000, or sorry, most 30 students in a class. 30,000 would be crazy. All right. So we're comparing 30 and S for number of students. This is at most 30. It means he wants the number of students to be less than 30. But at most also means that it can be 30. He's fine if there's 30 students in there. Okay? So it's that or equal to because it can be. Let's go to the number line. Means that or equal to sign on it means it can be 30, closed dot. And he wants it to be at most 30. So let's check out the 25 and 35 on here. Does 25 make that true, or does 35 make that true? Think about it for a bit. Test it out. When you do, you figure out that 25 makes that true. So we're going to the left. All right. Last one. Nate wants to consume less than 2,500 calories every day. All right, so we're looking at 2,500, and I'll use C for number of calories, because why not? And he wants to consume less than 2,500, so he wants the number of calories to be less than 2,500. But he didn't say at most 2,500 or less than or equal to 2,500. He said strictly less than 2,500. So no equal to sign on it, no line under the alligator mouth. All right. Let's go graph this on number line, or plot it on number line. Let's go 2,500. That's a starting point. This one here, it does not have the equal to sign, so it cannot be 2,500, but that is the starting point for this line. Remember, it can't be 2,500. All right, we test out 2,000. We test out 3,000. And we do that, we figure out that it is going to be going to the left because all numbers are less than 2,500. Okay? So, let's look at these four all together now. And here's our first one. Here's our second one. Here's our third one, and here's our fourth one. Some things you may notice here. On the top two, these both have the or equal to sign on them. They're closed dots. The bottom two, these both have no or equal to sign. They're strictly less than and strictly greater to. They have that open dot. They can't be the values that you're working with, but they're starting points for trying to figure out which direction are we going, what numbers are we representing on the number line. Okay, and remember these arrows represent every single number under that arrow. Okay, every decimal fraction, whole number, everything. All right. So if you want to see more examples like this or see what we're up to at Mirrorverse Education, visit us at mirrorverseed.com. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Adios.